Welcome to the Energy Productivity Management course developed by Det Norske Veritas. A good question to start out with is, when did energy efficiency first make it on the agenda? The two pictures clearly date from before digital photography and give you a good clue. Many people indicate that the first oil crisis in 1973 turned concerns over energy security into actions to improve energy efficiency. So energy efficiency is not really a new topic, and people have been working on it for over 30 years. Hence, the next logical question is, aren't we done yet? Different studies and assessments executed by independent sources illustrate that the potential of energy saving still remains significant. According to McKinsey, the projected rate at which global energy consumption increases can be cut by 2/3 by adopting energy efficiency improvements. And maybe even more important, McKinsey says that these energy efficiency improvements rely on existing technology and that these investments have a reasonable, profitable return. So clearly, technology and investments cannot be the only barriers for energy efficiency. At the same time, the World Energy Outlook 2010 of the International Energy Agency says that energy efficiency is the single bridge to a future era of low greenhouse gas emissions. At this point in the course, we investigate the real barriers for energy productivity. In other words, if technology is available and if financial return is attractive, what are the other reasons why energy efficiency isn't more implemented? I'll focus on one possibility here. This slide shows the specific energy consumption over a decade. This is the energy consumption per ton produced. Without getting into details, the curve shows that a long-term effort has resulted in a net energy saving of nearly 20%. It also shows that it has been a journey of many successes, but also some unexpected and negative results. Hence, the conclusion is, much like safety and quality, energy efficiency requires a continuous attention and needs to be integrated in everyday processes and routines, on all levels of the organization. You need a strong, systematic and integrated approach by all levels of employees and management to make energy productivity a success. DNV's experience learns that a proper energy management system is an effective way to achieve this. I hear you think, but how much energy can I save with an energy management system in my organization? Well, on one hand, we can quantify and visualize the energy savings potential by an energy management system rating protocol. We assess the 6 elements of your energy management system against the international standards and industry best practices. As a result, we discover the gaps and hence the focus areas for your organization. Simultaneously, we can estimate the energy savings potential for your organization. On the other hand, we can also quantify and visualize the CO2 savings potential by a marginal abatement cost curve. On this graph, you see the CO2 cost effectiveness of CO2 abatement for the projected coal-fired power plants in Europe in 2020. On the x-axis, you read the tons of CO2 that can be saved. On the y-axis, you read the cost savings. This tool can be used for the development of government policies, but as well for the development of your company's energy policy. So far, some slides of the Energy Productivity Management course to give you a feel for how the material is presented. I hope to see you soon in one of our Energy Productivity Management courses.